Hello, my amazing listeners. I'm Rim, and I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to today's podcast. Do you feel your heart race when you hear your favorite song? Maybe it's a tune that makes you want to dance, or a melody that brings back the sweetest memories. I feel the same way. Songs have this magical power to lift our spirits. And guess what? They can also help you learn English in the most exciting and joyful way. If you've ever felt stuck or bored while learning English, this episode is your shining star. Today, I'm going to share 5 incredible ways to improve your English while singing along to your favorite songs. So, turn up the volume, let your worries melt away, and let's dive into this musical journey together. Before we jump into the tips, let's talk about why learning English through songs is so amazing. Songs aren't just music. They're a doorway to a world of emotions and stories, all wrapped in beautiful words. When you listen to a song, you're not just hearing notes. You're hearing how native speakers express their feelings, dreams, and stories. For example, in Let It Go from Frozen, Elsa sings, let it go, a phrase that means to release your worries and be free. Isn't that powerful? Songs also make learning feel effortless because they're so much fun. When you sing along, your brain lights up with joy, and you remember new words without even trying. Plus, the rhythm and melody help you practice pronunciation naturally. Imagine singing I'm on top of the world from Imagine Dragons. You're not just singing, you're learning to say how happy you feel. Songs are like your best friends. They make English learning a celebration, not a chore. So let's see how you can turn your playlist into your English classroom. The first tip is to choose songs you absolutely adore and start by exploring their lyrics. When you love a song, you're already halfway to learning because your heart is in it. For beginners, pick songs with simple words and clear pronunciation, like Perfect by Ed Sheeran or 1,000 Years by Christina Perri. In Perfect, Ed sings, I found a love for me. Such a sweet way to say you found someone special. Here's how to start. Find the lyrics online. Try websites like Genius or AZ Lyrics. Read the lyrics while listening to the song and let the words sink in. Notice how Ed sings, I found a love, so softly. It's like he's whispering a secret. Underline words or phrases you don't know, like darling or barefoot on the grass. Look them up and write them down. Darling means someone you love, and barefoot on the grass paints a picture of walking without shoes in nature. Sing the line with the song, I found a love for me, and feel the emotion. When you love the song, the words stick in your mind like magic, and you'll be using them in no time. The second tip is to learn everyday phrases from song lyrics and use them in your life. Songs are packed with expressions you can use in real conversations. Let's take Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. She sings, I shake it off, I shake it off. That phrase, shake it off, means to forget about your problems and move on. Imagine your friend says, I failed my test, and you reply, don't worry, just shake it off. It's such a cool way to cheer them up. Here's how to do it. While listening to a song, listen for short phrases that feel useful. In Someone Like You by Adele, she sings, never mind, I'll find someone like you. Never mind is a great phrase. It means don't worry about it. Write down these phrases and practice them. Sing never mind, I'll find someone like you with Adele's emotion. Then use it in your day. Like when you miss a bus, say, never mind, I'll catch the next one. Songs are like a treasure chest of phrases, and when you use them, you'll sound so natural and confident. The third tip is to sing along with the song to improve your pronunciation. It's like a party for your voice. Songs help you practice how words sound because you follow the singer's rhythm and tone. Let's try I'm Yours by Jason Mraz. He sings I'm yours with a smooth, happy vibe. Notice how he says yours. It's soft and clear, not yaws or yours. Here's how to do it. Play the song and sing along, focusing on copying the singer. In I'm yours, sing I'm yours over and over until you sound just like Jason. Pay attention to tricky sounds, like the R in yours or the TH in Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran when he says, I'm thinking 'bout how. Sing it slowly at first. I'm thinking 'bout how, and then speed up. Singing helps your mouth get used to English sounds, and it's so much fun. You'll feel like a rock star while learning to speak more clearly. The fourth tip is to create your own English playlist for daily practice, your personal learning soundtrack. This is where the magic happens every day. Choose 5 to 10 songs you love and make a playlist on Spotify, YouTube, or your phone. Mix slow songs like 1,000 Years with upbeat ones like Happy by Pharrell Williams. In Happy, Pharrell sings, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. It's such a joyful way to say you're super happy. Here's how to use your playlist. Listen to it every day, maybe while you're getting ready in the morning or walking to school. Sing along to at least one song each day. For example, sing Clap Along if you feel like a room without a roof. While brushing your teeth, it'll make you smile. Over time, the words and rhythms will sink into your heart, and you'll start using them naturally. Your playlist is your happy place for learning English, so make it yours and enjoy every beat. The fifth tip is to share the fun. Sing it with friends or online to boost your confidence. Learning English is even more exciting when you do it with others. Invite a friend to sing with you. Maybe pick Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen because it's so dramatic and fun. Sing the line, "Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy?" together and laugh at how you sound. You'll feel braver speaking English when you're having fun with friends. Or take it online. Join a community like Smule, an app where you can sing karaoke with people from all over the world. Record yourself singing Shallow by Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper. I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in, and share it with others. You'll get to practice English, make new friends, and feel like a superstar. Sharing the joy of singing makes learning English a celebration, and you'll be amazed at how confident you become. Let's wrap up this musical adventure. Learning English with your favorite songs is a joyful way to grow your skills. With these 5 tips, choosing songs you love, learning phrases, singing for pronunciation, creating a playlist, and sharing the fun, you can turn every melody into a chance to shine. Start today, pick a song, sing your heart out, and watch your English soar like a star. What's the song that makes you feel unstoppable? Share it in the comments. I can't wait to hear your story. If this podcast made you smile, please like and subscribe for more English learning magic. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm so proud of you. Keep singing, keep shining, and you've got this.